Greetings of the day, student. I, Asmita Patil, welcome you all to chapter number 5, Checkout. In this particular chapter, we are going to learn about departure notification, departure procedure in fully automated system, group checkouts, express checkouts, understay, late checkouts and late charges, post-departure courtesy services. The word checkout and departure is used interchangeably in the hotel organizations. The checkout or departure stage is the fourth stage of the guest cycle. The first stage of the guest cycle is pre-arrival, the second stage is arrival, third is occupancy, and the fourth step is checkout or departure. This is the departure notification slip sent by front office department to various other departments before the guest checkout. Departure is the last interaction of the guest with the hotel staff. During the departure, guests normally vacate their rooms, settle their bills and leave the hotel. This phase is very crucial as guests settle their financial transactions with the hotel, and any dispute at this stage can ruin their entire experience. On the other hand, a smooth settlement of bills and checkout would enhance the guest experience. As every hotel endeavors to achieve high level of guest satisfaction, the activities of the various departments should be coordinated to ensure a smooth checkout. Checkout, the procedure for a guest departure from hotel. It involves settlement of the guest account and returning the room keys. Now let us see the procedure of the checkout. The checkout request is received at the front desk or bell desk. The front desk sends a bellboy to transfer the guest luggage from the room to the lobby. The bellboy fills the departure errand card. The front desk sends departure notifications slip to all concerned departments. The full form of POS is point of sale terminals. The front desk cashier updates the guest folio on the basis of recent bills received from the point of sale. The guest arrives at the front desk for checkout and hands over the room keys. The cashier prepares the master bill and presents it to the guest along with supporting vouchers and bills for review. The payment is received from the guest as per the predetermined mode of payment. The front desk makes the luggage out pass. The front desk communicates the checkout information to housekeeping and all the other concerned departments. The front office assistants update the following front office records. Current room status by removing name slip from the room rack at the information desk. Updating the guest history card. Let's see the method of group checkouts. Departure notification slips are issued about half an hour prior to actual departure by the receptionist to telephone, housekeeping, room service and coffee shop to avoid any late charges. The bell captain ensures that sufficient number of bellboys is available in the ship to handle baggage of the group. The baggage downtime and wake-up call of the group are checked and followed strictly. The bell captain allocates the floors and rooms to the bellboys for bringing the baggage down to the lobby. The bellboy collects the baggage from rooms mentioned in their list. Generally, the group members are advised by the group leader to keep their baggage packed and ready to pick up outside their room for baggage down time. The baggage is brought down to the lobby and counted. After the tour leader settles the bill, the bell captain ensures that all the keys from the group members are retrieved. The room keys are handed over to the reception. The cashier prints out the master folio and individual folio. Master folio is meant for the complete group and individual folio is meant for the particular room number. A summary is made room-wise to facilitate easy collection of extra charges. The cashier presents the master folio to the tour leader for approval and the extra charges are collected with the assistance of tour leader. After ratifying the bill, the tour leader is requested to sign on it. After the settlement of the bill, the cashier then issues a baggage out pass to the bell captain. Express checkout. As more and more guests now want a speedy and queue-free checkout, hotels are coming up with alternatives to the standard checkout. Guests may encounter line at front desk when checking out during the peak hours. To ease front desk volume, some hotels initiate checkout activity before the guest is actually ready to leave. A common pre-departure activity involves producing and distributing guest folio to the guests expected to check out in the morning. Normally, the front office will distribute an express checkout form along with the pre-departure folio. The ECO form is an authorization by the guest to the hotel authorities to charge the outstanding balance to his credit card. By signing the ECO form, the guest agrees to pay the amount finalized by the front desk cashier after his departure. Express checkout form may include a note requesting the guest to notify the front desk if departure plans change. Otherwise, the front office will assume the guest is leaving by the hotel posted checkout time. After signing the ECO form, the guest can leave the hotel at his convenience without having to go to the front desk for the standard checkout procedure. Once the guest has departed from the hotel, the front office must complete the guest checkout by transferring the outstanding guest folio balance to a previously authorized method of settlement. Because of late charges, the amount due on the guest copy of the express checkout folio may not match the charges posted to his credit card. This possibility should be clearly stated on the express checkout form to avoid any confusion later on. The hotel mails a copy of the final bill to the guest's mailing address. The front office then updates the room status of the guest. Let's see what understay means. Understay represents rooms occupied by guests who check out before their scheduled departure dates. They are also called as early departure. Let us study the late checkout and charges. When the guests depart after the standard checkout time, it is called as late checkout. In this case, late checkout charges are taken from the guest. The standard checkout time is 12 noon and the standard check-in time is 2 p.m. Post-departure courtesy services. Inquiry with the guest about his stay. Send a thank you email to the guest. Check for return reservation. Post promotional activities happening in the hotel on social media handle. Invite guests for promotional activities. Send greetings on special days like birthday and anniversary to the guests. And create types with the company and tour operators. Students, you can check out this link for the express checkout video. Thank you so much.